How to close full screen screenshot preview. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on screen capture option you see there. Here, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for full screen previews, and now screenshots will show briefly as a small thumbnail in the bottom corner instead of taking over the full screen. So this is how you can close full screen screenshot preview. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.